Most people who start selling AI automations get stuck on the exact same question. Should I sell consulting, productized services, or launch a white label SaaS? Each model leads to completely different income, workload, and long-term scale. Today, we'll break them down so you choose the path that gets you the fastest money, the lowest stress, and the strongest future growth. Before choosing any monetization path, you need a clear map of what each model truly means. Consulting is you working directly with clients. Productized services are predefined automations sold as repeatable packages. White label SaaS means turning your workflows into subscription software. Each one has different speed, income, and scalability. Today, you'll finally understand which model fits your skills, time, and goals. Consulting is the simplest and fastest way to make money with AI automations. You sell your expertise, your time, and your ability to solve a problem quickly. Clients pay for clarity and done-for-you help, not just workflows. The advantage? You can start today with zero setup. The downside? Your income depends entirely on your availability, so scaling becomes difficult. A productized service sits between consulting and SaaS. Instead of custom work, you sell a predefined automation package. One workflow, one setup, one price. Clients know exactly what they're buying, and you deliver the same system repeatedly. It's faster than consulting, more scalable, and easier to sell because the offer is clear. But you still handle setup and updates, so some time involvement remains. White label SaaS scores the highest in scalability and long-term profit. Once the system is built and your dashboard is ready, every new client becomes nearly hands-off. Time to first dollar is slower and setup difficulty is higher, but the reward is recurring revenue that stacks every month. This path is best for creators ready to invest upfront to gain future freedom. Imagine a scoreboard showing all three models side by side. Consulting, fast start, high stress, low scale. Productized service, moderate start, repeatable, some scalability. White label SaaS, slow start, hands-off growth, high profit. Visualizing these scores helps you make decisions at a glance. Use this mental chart to weigh your priorities, speed, income, or freedom, and pick the right path. Consulting wins in one category, speed to money. You can close your first client within days because you're selling your brain, not a built system. Setup difficulty is low, profit per client is high, but the downside is clear. Your weekly workload grows fast, and scalability scores the lowest. Consulting is perfect for beginners or anyone needing immediate cash flow without building infrastructure. Productized services offer a strong balance. Setup takes longer than consulting, but once your workflow is defined, every new client becomes easier to deliver. Time to first dollar is moderate, workload drops after the first few installs, and scalability improves because you're repeating a system, not reinventing it. Profit stays solid, making this model ideal for building a stable, semi-automated agency. Once you know which model suits you, the next step is execution. Each path has a 90-day roadmap designed for fast results. Consulting focuses on landing first clients, productized services on refining workflows, and white label SaaS on building dashboards and onboarding flows. Following a roadmap ensures you don't get stuck, miss deadlines, or waste time guessing what to do next. Day 1 to 10. Identify your niche and reach out to potential clients. Day 11 to 20. Package your consulting offer with clear deliverables and pricing. Day 21 to 40. Close your first clients and deliver results. Day 41 to 70. Refine your process, collect testimonials, and optimize workflow. Day 71 to 90, scale by increasing rates or taking on more clients efficiently. Day 1 to 10, design your first repeatable automation workflow. Day 11 to 20, create clear setup instructions and pricing. Day 21 to 30, test the workflow with beta clients for feedback. Day 31 to 60, launch officially, refine onboarding, and document processes. Day 61 to 90, promote to new clients, improve delivery efficiency, and start building predictable revenue streams. Day 1 to 10, build your MVP automation workflow and set up the dashboard. Day 11 to 20, define 3 pricing tiers with clear feature differences. Day 21 to 30, create onboarding and support processes for new clients. Day 31 to 60, beta test with early users, gather feedback, and optimize. Day 61 to 90, launch publicly, run ads, and implement a partner program. Some creators combine models for maximum effect. Start with consulting to generate cash, launch a productized service to scale, and eventually build a white label SaaS for recurring revenue. This hybrid approach balances speed, profit, and long-term freedom. You can use early consulting insights to design your products and SaaS offerings, ensuring they solve real problems and attract paying clients quickly. Choosing the right model isn't just about numbers, it's about confidence and stress. Consulting gives instant validation but can burn you out. Productized services offer control but require discipline. White label SaaS is empowering but intimidating at first. Recognizing your emotional capacity ensures you pick a path you can sustain, avoid decision paralysis, and build both profit and peace of mind. Before we reveal the final ranking, remember, if you want to price your SaaS plans or one-time automation services correctly, check out episode 12. It shows exactly how to structure 3-tier plans, anchor value, and maximize profit. Pause this video if needed, watch that episode, then return here to see which model will scale fastest for you. Now that you've seen the differences between consulting, productized services, and white label SaaS, it's time to choose the path that fits your goals, skills, and available time. Keep experimenting, learning, and refining your offers. For more strategies, insights, and step-by-step guides on AI automation businesses, continue following Artificial Intelligence Explained, your source for building smarter, scalable AI ventures.